Welcome to my first video on this Python tutorial series. So in this video, we're just going to take a look at how to get started coding in Python. And one of the easiest ways is to use an online code editor. And one of the most popular online editors is called replit.com. You can go right here and sign up. You could just use Google, GitHub, Facebook, whatever. So let's sign in. So once you log in, this is what you'll see. And to start coding in Python, you just scroll down here, go on under create, you just click Python. It will create a REPL for you. That's a Python template, and it will give a random title. You could rename this if you want, and then click on create REPL. So once this is done, you can start typing. So this would be our code editor, this area, and this is where we have the console. So let's just run a really simple Python code, which is going to be printing hello, let's see, everyone. And we just click run, and then it successfully printed out hello everyone. So this is a first video in the series. Next we'll look into variables, after that numbers, and many more about Python. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.